Hi everyone, I'm Megan and this is Information Station. Today we are talking about rental returns and what to do with your instrument when you're done. So first you want to start by going to our website, which is kbimusicshop.com. Once you get there, you can go to our rental section and go down to the rental return button. That will bring you to our page here, which gives you all of your options. So to go through these options, first you can continue renting the instrument if you'd like to. We highly recommend this for anybody who is not sure if their student is going to be continuing, or if you know they're going to be playing in the fall, but they might not be using it over the summer, because your contract is a rent-to-own contract, so all of your payments are going towards purchasing your instrument. If you were to return it to us and start again in the fall, you'd be starting with a new contract and starting all over. So we do recommend this if you are going to be using your instrument in the fall or you're unsure yet, because you can return it anytime later if you decide to. Paying off the instrument early, that is always an option. You can call us anytime and just see where you're at, see what your balance is on your instrument. You can always pay it off. If you pay it off early, you don't have the insurance on it anymore, but we do offer a maintenance agreement you can purchase if you'd like to, which is a one-time payment, covers for a full year, covers the same type of, it's not insurance, but it does cover the normal wear and tear on the instruments, cleanings, regulations, all of that. So you can always ask us for more information about that. It's an option. And then there's return the instrument. So if you know that your student is not going to be playing anymore, or if it's just the best option for you, if right now you just need to return it to us, that is perfectly fine. So that is your other option. As far as returning it to us, you can either come into the store, you can drop it off with us anytime, and then we'll just return it in the system. You can call us and you can let us know, and we can set up a pickup from either, right now we're doing home delivery, so you can either do a pickup from your house or from the school, or you can just send us an email, or you can fill out our form online. So we try to make it very easy for you. There's a lot of different options. So if you are just ready to return your instrument, you can go ahead and click Ready to Return, and it's going to bring you to our form here. So you can just fill this easy form out, and it'll let us know exactly where you're at, what you're thinking about for returning your instrument. There's a thing for additional comments too if you have any questions, and this will come to our email, and then we'll just give you a phone call just to confirm everything and set up a pickup time. So this is easy and available for you. The other thing, you can click here for further details, will bring you to our rental return letter for the end of the year. So this gives you more details on all the options. So for continuing to rent the instrument, for paying off, for returning the instrument, it gives you your options here, as well as our phone number, our email address, all of that. If you are going to return the instrument and we're going to do a pickup, we request that you do print this page out, please, and fill it out, and use the pictures here to attach it to your case handle. And if for some reason you're unable to print this page out, that is fine. Just take a regular piece of paper, fill in the information you have, and then just attach it to your case handle. It would make it really easy for us, please. So this is all here for you. So you can call us anytime, like I said, if you're interested in returning or you're just not sure of what to do, we can always take a look at your account. It's very simple and easy. So like I said, you can come into the store and see us. You can call us. Our phone number is 540-891-7800. Or you can send us an email, which is at info@kbimusicshop.com. Or you can fill out our form online so we can contact you. So any of those, we try to make it very easy, but that's all you have to do. And thank you for watching, and we make sure to check out our other Information Station videos, as well as our other videos on our YouTube channel about more exciting things happening at KBI, our team members, and some fun events. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.